Hi everyone, 안녕하세요. This is Haeryung. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my favorite dish using squid sashimi and cucumber, and we are going to make special Korean sauce called Chogochujang. Chogochujang. Have you ever heard of Chogochujang? Chogochujang and Gochujang is a different. Chogochujang is variant of Gochujang, adding rice vinegar, honey, sugar, and other seasoning. Are you curious about it? Let's get started. As I'm going to next, I'm going to cut Yaliika sashimi. Not very fine stripes like cucumbers. Yalirika and cucumbers. Let's make Chogochujang. So here you can see gochujang, doenjang, miso paste, sugar, grated garlic, roasted sesame seed, white sesame seed, and rice vinegar. And I'm gonna add a pinch of salt here. As usual, I'm using the Himalayan pink salt. So what we need to do is we are just going to combine everything. So gochujang, miso, sugar, sesame seed, grated garlic. And I mix them first. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to add the rice vinegar here. This is a Chogochujang. Adding seasonings are very many different varieties to make a Chogochujang. I'm going to introduce another type of a Chogochujang later on. So today is this. Last step. So we are going to combine everything, toss everything together. Just one tip for you. So you can prepare in advance, cut the vegetables, the cucumbers, and then cut the Yaliika sashimi, and make the Chogochujang, and then keep in the fridge. And just before you eat, you toss them together. Okay, so add the cucumber, Yaliika sashimi, add Chogochujang. You can add the Chogochujang little by little, toast gently. So cooking finished. Thank you for watching my cooking video. Do you like it? So today we made my favorite Korean side dish, Yaliika sashimi and cucumber with the Chogochujang, gochujang and vinegar sauce. This is very refreshing, and this Chogochujang can be used into many other dishes. You can dip sashimi in this sauce. So anyone you haven't tried Chogochujang before, please give it a try. It's very delicious. Thank you for watching. If this video inspires you to cook more and makes you smile, that will be my happiness. Thank you so much for watching. 감사합니다. See you next time. 사랑해요.